I have made a decision. I think we all know where this is going.
Blindspot.
No! I am done with this shit, alright? This situation is getting far more worse, and we didn't do a damn thing about it. Don't you get it? Eugene is dead. The Bird family has killed him.
I know, but what is the point?
The Bird family is nothing but a crooked and corrupt business family. We decapitate and do business with whatever's left.
It is time to make it happen.
Make what happen? What do you want us to do?
Isn't that obvious?
Do you guys ever read the Bible?
It says that 3 sticks will form together, merging, and trigger the end of 100 Bird Street, along with the Bird family and building containers all over it.
That's nonsense.
Well, it clearly isn't. It is about time we put an end to the Bird family's corrupt regime. You see, McLaren wanted to do this ever since he started the Christmas bloodbath thing, but it failed and he killed himself. Now, I'm gonna make sure I'll finish the job for him. Face it, you guys, if we don't do anything to destroy 100 Bird Street once and for all, the police and the FBI will know about it and lock us all up. Are you with me or what? Good. Then it is about time we declare war.